In order to know where you're going on this journey, you need to figure out what you want and why. I know we can't help but compare ourselves to others. We're shocking for that, especially writers. But other people haven't lived our past, they're not living our current life, and they don't have the same hopes and dreams for their future as you do. There's no one quite like you. The wise Joanna Penn says, comparisonitis is dangerous, and we should all be comparing our current selves against where we were last year and where we want to be next year. What does writing success look like to you? Why do you do it? What do you want out of it? And what are you prepared to do to get it? All of these questions, they're going to determine the journey that suits you. And there is no right or wrong answer to any of them. Success is kind of a curly word because it means something different to every person. We tend to associate it with wealth, fame, or social status. The true definition of the word is to accomplish a purpose. But I'd like to tweak that a little further and say that it's to attain happiness through accomplishing a purpose. But happiness isn't the end result of all that hard work. It's the key component that turns hard work into success. Now I want you to stop and really digest that. Success doesn't make you happy, it's the other way around. You need to be happy with what you're doing and celebrate all the small milestones along the way in order to enjoy success.